Tesla SemiTruck. One electric vehicle that has the potential to completely alter the trucking sector is the Tesla SemiTruck. It has 3 separate motors on the back axles, which guarantee strong performance and safety, and a central seating position that improves sight. Even with all of its cargo on board, the SemiTruck can reach 60 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. Active safety features and an accident-proof design reduce the likelihood of a rollover and prevent damage to the cabin. Because it uses less than 2 kilowatts-hour per mile and can go up to 500 miles on a single charge, it is also eco-friendly. Both a 300-mile and a 500-mile version of the Tesla SemiTruck are on the market, with the former costing $150,000 and the latter $180,000. The possible fuel savings of more than $200,000 within 3 years of ownership makes these rates even more competitive. Willy Transparent LCD Bus. By using big transparent LCD panels as its walls, the Willy Transparent LCD Bus is a cutting-edge concept vehicle developed by Tad Orlowski. This vehicle is a revolutionary departure from the conventional bus design. It is possible for passengers to keep a view of the outside world, while these panels display a variety of dynamic options, such as sponsored advertisements and information about the bus, as well as television coverage. The structure of the bus is constructed on an organic skeletal frame, which enables the unique use of LCD technology to modify cityscapes and improve the experience of getting to and from work in metropolitan areas. Due to the fact that Willy is a concept vehicle, accurate pricing information is not easily accessible at this time. Concept vehicles are prototypes that are intended to demonstrate new design ideas and technologies. Until they are put into production, they do not have a preset price on the market. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. Daimler AG's Mercedes-Benz Future Bus, with its cutting-edge technology and sleek appearance, is a giant leap forward for public transportation. There is a lack of information regarding the bus's price, but it is part of Daimler's larger plan to dominate the electric bus industry. The fact that the Mercedes-Benz Citaro, the company's present all-electric model, was named Electric Bus Champion of 2024, is a testament to the reliability and excellence of their fleet. The Future Bus will be built on the same chassis as the popular Mercedes-Benz Citaro, which has dimensions of 3,120 millimeters and an engine that is 7.7 liters in displacement and produces 220 kilowatts and 299 horsepower. With substantial investments set aside for this transition, Daimler has set the lofty objective of producing CO2 neutral vehicles across all segments by 20303, demonstrating their dedication to sustainability. Ford F-Vision Electric Truck. A concept for a completely autonomous commercial vehicle that runs on electricity, the Ford F-Vision Electric Truck stands as a symbol of Ford's future plans. An advanced, interactive front grille and clever lighting systems that adjust to various driving modes are part of its aerodynamic, elegant design. Although the F-Vision is still only a concept and won't be sold anytime soon, Ford has taken huge steps towards electrifying their truck lineup with the release of the F-150 Lightning. Even without electric vehicle incentives, the base model of this electric pickup truck starts at a reasonable $39,974. Among its remarkable features are 2 electric motors, a 300-mile driving range, and the capacity to power a house and many tools with its batteries. In order to realize concepts like the F-Vision, Ford is committing to an electric future, and the F-150 Lightning is a piece of that puzzle. Hyundai HDC6 Neptune. An innovative hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric truck idea, the Hyundai HDC6 Neptune exemplifies Hyundai Motor Company's goal of zero carbon emission technology for commercial vehicles. The Art Deco streamliner railway trains of the 1930s served as an influence for the HDC6 Neptune's design, which stands out in the industry with its current interpretation of form and function. Despite being a concept vehicle and not yet for sale, the HDC6 Neptune exemplifies Hyundai's dedication to being a market leader in environmentally conscious commercial vehicles. Since this cutting-edge truck is still in its prototype stage, its price has not been announced. However, it does show where Hyundai may take their commercial vehicle range in terms of technology and design in the future. This idea fits in with Hyundai's larger plan to shift its focus from passenger cars to commercial vehicles in terms of technical leadership. Scania NXT. One example of cutting-edge urban mobility is the Scania NXT, a concept vehicle from the far future. It's an autonomous all-electric car that can adjust to the ever-changing patterns of city life. It is a commuter bus during rush hour, a delivery vehicle during the day, and a garbage collector at night. The NXT, built with Scania's modular architecture, is more than simply a car. It's a flexible platform for the years 2030 and beyond. You can easily switch between its many functions thanks to its detachable functional modules, which come with their own battery unit. Within its 8-meter-long frame, the bus module can carry a maximum of 55 passengers, 20 of whom can sit down. The NXT's 162 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which is well concealed under the floor, allows it to achieve an impressive range of over 245 kilometers on a single charge, despite its weight being less than 8 tons. Volvo VNL Truck. An technical marvel, the Volvo VNL Truck is set to transform the trucking business. The machine is designed with the driver in mind, ensuring their safety, efficiency, and comfort all in one stylish package. Both the aggressive appearance and the aerodynamic efficiency of the VNL series are enhanced by its distinctively curved windshield and angular profile. Powerful performance with 405 to 500 horsepower and 1,950 lb-ft of torque is delivered by the VNL's undercarriage, which features the D13 engine and the I-Shift automatic manual transmission. The Volvo Active Safety Platform prioritizes safety by incorporating cutting-edge driver assistance systems such as side pedestrian recognition, lane keep assist, and collision avoidance technology. The asking price for a new or used Volvo VNL truck ranges from $140,000 to $180,000. The exact amount depends on the model year. Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025. A futuristic idea for long-distance hauling, the Mercedes-Benz Future Truck 2025 represents the company's forward-thinking perspective. It can drive itself at genuine highway speeds because to the highway pilot system, which is integral to its autonomous design. Better transportation efficiency, more road safety, less fuel consumption, and less carbon dioxide emissions are all things the truck claims to be able to provide. The sensual purity design philosophy is represented by its natural curving surfaces and flowing forms, which convey emotion while also being functional. In terms of pricing, Mercedes-Benz has been mum on the subject of this future truck as it is still in the concept study stage. Nevertheless, it is a major milestone on the road to a linked transportation system that will save energy, lessen pollution, guarantee the safest roads possible, and manage data intelligently. Next, future transportation. A new way of thinking about urban transportation is proposed by Next Future Transportation. A scalable, adaptable, and modular transportation system, it was created with these qualities in mind. The plan is to have self-driving electric pods that can navigate normal roadways and, if necessary, link up with other pods to create a bus-like structure, enabling riders to transfer between pods without getting out. Environmental friendliness, fewer traffic, and a more pleasant travel experience are all goals of the system's designers. Because of its modular design, Next can adjust to meet the needs of many cities and between them, which could revolutionize public transportation. Despite the lack of publicly available information regarding the Next system's price, the business has managed to gather $2.6 million in financing, showing a great deal of enthusiasm in turning this ambitious vision for the future into a reality. Iveco Z Truck. If you're looking for a zero-impact vehicle that fits in with the future of renewable energy and driverless cars, look no further than the revolutionary Iveco Z Truck. A combination of improved aerodynamics, waste heat recovery, and optimized liquefied natural gas technology using biomethane allows it to achieve zero emissions from well to wheel. The Z Truck uses cutting-edge autonomous driving technology in an effort to achieve the same goal of zero accidents. The Iveco Z Truck reimagines the cab space with the driver in mind, providing a versatile space that can be set up for driving, automated driving, office work, or even sleeping, so the driver can avoid stress and maximize their time on the road. Since it is still in its conceptual stage, the Iveco Z Truck has no established pricing. It is common practice to construct prototypes of new technology and designs as concept cars. Walmart Advanced Truck. Displayed at the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience is a state-of-the-art hybrid tractor-trailer from the Range Extended series, a vision for the future of transportation. The 20% decrease in aerodynamic drag results in around 10% improved fuel efficiency. The Wave incorporates a capstone turbine that can utilize a variety of fuels, such as diesel, biofuels, and even liquefied natural gas when needed. The use of carbon fiber in its construction contributed to a weight reduction of about 4,000 pounds. There are multiple modes of operation made possible by its 45.5 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, including an all-electric mode that is perfect for driving around town. Worry not about the cost. The Wave is just a test model for a larger study. Accordingly, no official pricing information is available. It exemplifies Walmart's eco-friendly and forward-thinking approach to fleet management. Transit Elevated Bus. This forward-thinking public transportation concept, known as the Transit Elevated Bus, was developed with the intention of reducing the amount of congestion that occurs in urban areas. Cars are able to travel underneath the TB because it is raised, which allows it to glide above the road on fixed rails. It is supported by solid stilts on either side of the road, giving it the appearance of a moving tunnel underneath the road. As a result of the bus's capacity to transport up to 1,200 passengers, the number of vehicles on the road is reduced, which in turn greatly reduces the number of instances of traffic congestion. Due to the fact that it is powered by electricity, it is an environmentally beneficial alternative. Using existing roadways without requiring substantial infrastructure upgrades, the TEB is able to move smoothly above traffic at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, making it a method of transportation that is both speedy and efficient. Volvo Electric Bus. An improvement in city buzzing has never been possible than with the Volvo 7900 Electric, an electric bus manufactured by Volvo. Its design prioritizes creating a stress-free atmosphere for drivers while giving passengers a peaceful, pleasant, and emission-free ride. Volvo is dedicated to sustainable city planning and minimizing urban pollution, and this bus is just one way they're doing it. In terms of price, the Volvo 7900 Electric has a starting price of around $97,350, the manufacturer's minimum price, not including taxes and other extras. This price tag is reflective of the high-tech engineering and planning that goes into developing an efficient and sustainable public transportation system. Electric buses manufactured by Volvo include amenities designed to cater to the requirements of contemporary urban areas. They are adaptable to the needs of varied metropolitan environments due to their variable lengths and designs. Freightliner SuperTruck. A breathtaking example of contemporary engineering, the Freightliner SuperTruck 2 aims to revolutionize freight transportation by increasing both efficiency and safety. Along with a 5.7% drop in fuel consumption, it boasts a 12% drop in aerodynamic drag and rolling resistance for tractors. A 13-speed overdrive gearbox guarantees less downspeeding and increased fuel economy, while the 13-liter engine in the truck features 2 turbos and interstage cooling for improved air compression efficiency. Technology like adaptive tandem axles, dynamic ride height, and automated side extenders reduces rolling resistance and drag at high speeds on the highway. There is no publicly available information regarding the pricing of the Freightliner SuperTruck 2, but individuals looking for the most cutting-edge truck technology and performance may expect to pay a premium for it due to its sophisticated features and efficiency gains.